I'm Stacy Gazanek.
And I'm Bo Mitchell.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Insider Show Homes,
where we buy outdated and distressed properties, completely rehab them inside and out, and sell them back below market value.
Our goal is to get the best deal for the buyer and to save neighborhoods, one home at a time. Today I'm here at Oakridge. The guys have already started demoing. I want to go in, check it out. Let's see what they're doing. They've been working pretty hard here today. They have the kitchen already done, as you can see. Let's go check out the bathroom.
Probably out. Get that off right there.
The guys have been working pretty hard. This is the master bedroom. They have ripped up the carpet. What a difference this makes. Brightens up the room, got rid of that maroon carpet. Take the wall up, make this another 3-bedroom.
Tear this bulkhead out here. They had opened this up to make it into one large bedroom. We're going to put it back to the original 3-bedroom house that it used to be. So we're going to tear this back out, it's over here, and put our way back into the bedroom. Easy?
Guys pretty much don't need my help here today. They got it almost all done. So I'm gonna go check on some other houses. If you'd like to see this house or any other houses, please call the number below. See you next time.